Hey guys, this is Taylor here at Truck World RVA. Today we're going to be looking at this 2015 Kenworth mechanics truck showing 288,880 on the miles and about 9,600, 9,900 engine hours. It'll be later on in the video. Later on in the video we'll do a cold start, crane and compressor demonstration. This first portion is just to showcase the cosmetic condition of the truck. If you do have any questions or need any more up-close pictures, videos, or information, feel free to call or text us anytime at 804-716-8487. This truck is run through our shop. Everything on it works as it should, which again, we'll show later on in the video. The goal of these videos is to show you everything about the truck, like if you were here looking at it in person. So if you do have any questions, again, feel free to call or text 804-716-8487. I did already have the truck running, so that trail right there is just from the AC. The AC kicks. It's nice and hot here this summer in Virginia, so that AC was running. This truck still needs to go through for final detail. I don't have a full listing up on it yet, so the boxes will be rinsed out and the inside of the cab will be cleaned. Anything you see here is just dirt and grease unless otherwise noted. Like on the fronts of these bins, there's some paint failure there along the bin edge. That's common throughout most of these doors. I'll show all the areas that's happening. This first compartment here is your torch compartment. You have your bottle racks right here. This truck came to us from the south. Doesn't have any rust in the service body or the frame of the truck. It's very clean all the way around from a rust perspective. It's a PACCAR PX7 with an Allison push-button auto, locking rear. A little paint failure here, and it's rated at 300 horsepower. I'll show it a little bit later on when I'm doing the crane demo, but all the bins do have lighting in them. Nice LED light strips. It really lights up pretty bright. Lots of nice features on this truck. These Summit beds are probably over-engineered for what they are, but they have a lot of cool features on them. That's just a little area right here where the bed line on the bottom is peeling off right there. See clear down there. Again, just some surface rust there, and a little bit right here where there's been paint failure along this trim piece, and that trim piece has caught water on it. Here's a shot of the bed tag here, Summit truck bodies. And then again, you got some areas here of just some paint failure along the edge of the door. All this lighting as well does work. Another clean compartment here. A little bit funky with this. I don't know what was going on with the shelf. We may just take that out. I mean, it's not really practical or useful for anything. Here's your crane compartment back here. You have regulators, your one hose reel there, factory wireless controller. Then here's your body control panel right here. I was looking for a load chart, but I don't see one back here. I'll pop up and look at the one on the crane. It's a 10-620, so 10,000 pound maximum lifting capacity, 20-foot max boom reach. It's a 2-stage hydraulic extension with hydraulic outriggers. Actually, it's showing a 21 max reach, 10,000 pound max capacity. You have the Van Air RC40 compressor in the bed, factory tie downs all down the bed. And obviously, like I said, the crane works as it should. Nice and smooth operation there. You have your factory tow hitch down there. I think I said hydraulic outriggers. This is your hose reel can pass through right here. Workbench rear bumper here with the pass-through bin. That's not a full pass-through, it looks like. Let's look on this side over here. Plenty of space for rods, pry bars, things of that nature in that bin. Again, just need to have the bins cleaned out, the exterior rinsed, and the cab cleaned a little bit. I just wanted to shoot this video this morning before it got hot outside, but we will have the full listing up later today. Good rubber all the way around, Michelin tires. Some more shelving in this compartment, and there is one set of drawers that we're getting to here in just a minute. Obviously, we have the keys for the body. All the doors close, latch, and lock as they should. One full set of granite drawers in this compartment. They're American Eagle style twist latch drawers. Tons of dividers up here, extra dividers to throw in these drawers. Compressors showing, hard to read. That hour meter might be broken. On the body controller, it has an hour meter as well. And again, on this door edge, some paint failure there. Some battery compartment down here. Nice and dry underneath. Coming over to the cab. Biggest thing about this truck is the way it's tagged. It's tagged under CDL 26,000 GVWR. (3/12/2014). It is titled as a 2016 model truck, or 2015 model truck, excuse me. T270. 300 horsepower. Here's your rear ratio transmission. Allison push button auto, AC works as it should. Air ride seat. Headliner's in good shape. So that's about it for the walk around. We'll get into the demo portion, the demonstration portion of the video. And again, if you have any questions, it's 804-716-8487. 300 horse PX7 Allison auto, air brakes, rear lockers, push button auto. Here's your factory summit control panel. Go to lighting. Let's turn all lights on. It's got compartment lighting all the way around. Side lighting. Rear work lights. Lighting in every compartment. Very nice built-in LED light strips. Obviously it's daytime, so it's going to be a little bit hard to tell how bright it is, but you can see the reflection up there. It really lights up every bin well. I had them on inside of the shop, which is darker, obviously not having any windows, and it really lights up all the bins. So the truck has tons of lighting on it. Just another nice small feature. They have these rubber stops on the doors as well, so you won't bang up the doors if you open both of them at the same time. And obviously here's your full set of Granite drawers. Batteries for the truck. Lighting in this compartment as well. Commands the compressor on. Pretty low hours there. Wireless transmitter. All these buttons are proportional, so there's no trigger, but depending on how hard you push the button, controls the speed of the crane. That's wide open, so it's individually proportioned. Crane's super smooth. It's a 2-stage hydraulic extension out to 20 feet, max boom reach. It does have a high idle function, which I just turned on as well. Makes the crane operate a little bit faster, obviously, with the higher idle. Do multiple functions at once. Also has the engine start stop feature. PTO kicks back on. Hey guys, thanks again for watching. One thing that I noticed that I didn't point out earlier is this area right here where the clear's peeled off the hood. Just another thing to note. And on the front grille right here, just a little damage there to the grille itself, and an area right there on the hood as well. Again, just like to point out anything worth noting or mentioning, just like if you were here looking at it in person. But again, it's a 2015 T270 under CDL, 10K crane, hydraulic compressor, hydraulic outriggers, 12-foot summit bed, 288K, about 9,900 hours on it, PX7 truck. If you have any questions or need any additional information, it's 804-716-8487. This is all that we buy and sell, so if you're looking for something set up differently, different chassis size, different crane configuration, we have plenty available. We can ship anywhere in the US, and we do have commercial financing as well. So feel free to give us a call at 804-716-8487. And I appreciate you watching.